No one expected such rapid momentum this month, but April 2026 has brought some of the most impressive progress yet. Here's your complete stadium construction update, starting from the roof and moving across every major section of the site. The roof structure is now entering one of its most critical and visually striking phases, with steady progress being driven by the continuous expansion of the compression ring. Over the past few weeks in April, multiple new steel segments have been successfully lifted into place, each one precisely aligned and secured to maintain the circular geometry of the structure. These lifts require exact coordination between cranes, engineers, and ground crews, and the execution so far has been highly efficient. As more segments are added, the ring is becoming increasingly rigid, allowing it to distribute loads evenly across the entire roof system. At the southern and eastern sections of the stadium, the Superpillars are now playing a major role in supporting this growing structure. A large number of these pillars have already been fully concreted and integrated with the upper ring connections, forming a solid vertical backbone. The remaining pillars are advancing in phases, with some requiring additional reinforcement and specialized pouring techniques due to their position in central load zones. Concrete curing is also progressing well, ensuring long-term durability and structural integrity. Another important development is the ongoing work on the radial beams that will extend outward from the compression ring. These beams are gradually being installed and connected, forming the skeletal framework that will eventually support the outer roof covering. Crews are working simultaneously on multiple sections, ensuring balanced progress around the stadium. With each passing week, the roof is becoming more complete and its final shape is now clearly visible. This phase marks a major milestone, as the structure transitions from foundational support into a fully interconnected system. Moving on to the facade panels, this area has seen consistent and highly visible progress throughout April. The installation of the slat support systems is now expanding across larger portions of the stadium, particularly along the cantilevered edges. Steel brackets and horizontal support bars are being mounted with precision, creating a strong base for the outer cladding. These elements are essential, as they define both the structural support and the visual identity of the stadium's exterior. In several premium and main stand areas, facade panels are already being installed over the completed framework. These panels are being carefully aligned to maintain a uniform appearance while also allowing for ventilation and light control. The design incorporates layered depth, giving the exterior a modern and dynamic look that changes depending on viewing angle and lighting conditions. At the same time, integrated systems such as LED lighting and electrical cabling are being embedded within the facade structure. This ensures that once completed, the stadium will feature advanced lighting effects that enhance its presence during night events. Preparation work is also ongoing in sections where panels have not yet been installed. Teams are focusing on alignment checks, bracket adjustments, and safety inspections to ensure smooth installation in the coming weeks. The facade is now transitioning from a purely structural phase into a finishing phase, and the difference is becoming more noticeable with each completed section. Scaffolding remains one of the most active and essential components across the entire construction site. In April 2026, the scale and organization of scaffolding systems have expanded significantly to support simultaneous work on multiple levels. These temporary structures are carefully designed to provide safe access to high and complex areas, especially around the roof edges and facade zones. Workers rely heavily on these platforms to carry out installations, inspections, and finishing tasks with precision. The layout of scaffolding has been optimized to allow efficient movement of both workers and materials. Multiple access points and interconnected pathways ensure that teams can operate without delays even in high-density work zones. Safety remains a top priority, with regular inspections and reinforcements being carried out to maintain stability under heavy usage. As construction progresses, scaffolding is continuously being adjusted, removed, or extended depending on the needs of each phase. This flexibility is crucial in maintaining momentum across the project. Surface area construction is also advancing steadily, particularly in transitional zones between structural and finishing work. Crews are focusing on leveling, smoothing, and preparing concrete surfaces that will later support flooring systems, equipment installations, and public movement areas. Specialized treatments are being applied in certain sections to improve durability and resistance to wear. Drainage integration is another key aspect, ensuring that water management systems are properly embedded within these surfaces. This stage may appear less visible compared to other works, but it plays a vital role in the long-term functionality and maintenance of the stadium. Inside the stadium, internal seating installation is now becoming one of the most defining visual transformations. During April, significant progress has been made across multiple tiers, especially in the upper and mid-level sections. Prefabricated seating units are being delivered and installed in a systematic manner, allowing for rapid coverage of large areas. Each row is carefully aligned to ensure optimal viewing angles and comfort for spectators. At the same time, structural steps and support frameworks beneath the seating are being finalized, providing a stable base for installation. In premium sections, additional features such as wider seat spacing and integrated amenities are also being prepared. The color patterns of the seats are beginning to emerge, hinting at the final visual identity of the stadium interior. Beyond seating, interior partitioning work is continuing across hospitality areas, corridors, and service zones. Walls are being installed, and utility systems such as ventilation, wiring, and plumbing are being integrated within these spaces. This coordinated effort is transforming the stadium from a raw concrete structure into a functional and organized environment. The pace of interior development suggests that major sections could soon be ready for finishing touches. In the tribuna areas, progress is focused on refining structural alignment and preparing for final installations. These sections, which are critical for spectator experience, are receiving attention in terms of seating-based preparation, access pathways, and safety features. Work is also ongoing to ensure clear sightlines and proper integration with surrounding sections. As these areas move closer to completion, they will play a key role in defining the atmosphere and capacity of the stadium. The central area of Camp Nou is currently one of the busiest and most critical zones on site. This section is where multiple structural elements come together, making it essential for the overall stability and design of the stadium. Right now, crews are heavily focused on reinforcing the main support structures that will carry both the upper tiers and the roof system. You can see significant progress in the installation of concrete slabs and steel frameworks, which are forming the base of the new seating and circulation areas. This middle zone also plays a key role in connecting different levels of the stadium, so precision and alignment are extremely important here. In addition, work is ongoing on internal access routes, including stairways and passage corridors, that will eventually guide thousands of fans smoothly through the stadium. The coordination between teams in this area is intense, as structural work, utilities, and design elements all need to fit together perfectly. Overall, the middle section is rapidly taking shape and is a clear sign of how the stadium is evolving into a modern masterpiece. If you enjoyed this detailed update, make sure to subscribe for more weekly construction progress videos. Stay connected as we continue to follow every step of this incredible transformation toward completion.